It's a bonus, Chio! Can you back off? I take back every kind word I've ever said. Oh my god! Ah! Angry noise! Why does it keep on going? I tweet. Oh! Ah! Is it over? Okay. Okay, we're good now. We're good now. We're good. Congratulations to Fako. Got the lovely sub. I hope you enjoy your emotes. Ah! Oh, many angry noises. Oh, I'm gonna grab that thing and throw it so hard on the floor, everything just explodes. It's fine. It's cool. By the desk, right? I have a. I have a sit-stand desk. Jesus, anyone just get the urge to spoil to you? I've already been spoiled. I feel definitely. Also, I swear to God, this just. Oh, I swear. Do you know it as a social media platform? Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's... Okay. Okay, I see what you did there. Okay. Okay, no, I get it, I get it. Oh, I get it. God fucking damn it. Ah! Goddamn smoke alarm bullshit! Should I play Wuthering Waves again? Yes, please do. There are amazing characters out right now. Oh my god. Who did the smoke detector? Fucking Konjo. Who else? I will block you. I will time you out. I swear to God. I will mute it. I will mute it. I will mute it. I got my button right here. I got it. Just fucking challenge me. Challenge me. Come on. I will mute it. I will mute it. Oh yeah. A goo goo gaga indeed.
I fucking dare you to ban me. I promise I'll get revenge.
You will. Conjure's villain arc.